Hey everybody, it's Pro Trader Mike, January 13th, Tuesday, 9:54. We're done for the day in the MOJO Day Trading Room. We'll show you the trades we've done for the day. Give you a little recap here. Right off the bat, we're going to take our trading plan with JDST off the bat. At 790, oh, we canceled it, but then we rebought back in doing a sequence on JDST. Entry number 1, 755. Entry number 2, 760. And doing a sequence up through $8. Selling it at 84. Sold higher up to 90, which was the original top of the box right here. And then we're going to replay through $8. Okay? NLST long 175, sold 184. PPMD. PHMD 217 now from 190 to go through 2. PHMD at 230, JDST at 840. High of the day, JDST 860. PHMD 257, picked at 190 to go through 2. Here's your 5-minute right there. You got a 3 long bar up into the 257. JDST right off the open, 3 long bars into a Cupid top right here. Just magnificent. Yep, something this world has seldom seen. So then we got Arena, which we traded right now through the top of 6. That's us selling at 602. See that bar? Right there, we sold there. See that one, we sold there. That's all our sells. That's all our sells. And those 2 red bars. Okay, so right here you have Arena, good trend trade to buy the open. So Arena, we're going to go long 595, sold at 6, rebought back 593, sold 601, 602. There's your high. So just from that action, it's 9:56 a.m. Whatever makes the Viggle wiggle. Ooh, Viggle wiggle. Let's talk about the swing picks today. Mojo swing trade portfolio. Let me give you a glimpse of the portfolio. You get access to the swing trade portfolio when you're a subscriber. Took my first loss this month. JDST 850, guys. So right here, swing trade portfolio right here, Mojo Swing, Dow's up 263 today. This is a live updated portfolio that all the members of the swing get to view. So ABCD, we're up 9%. Radio Shack right now, we're up 8.3%. A lot of people have Radio Shack cheaper. Everything else was just in a stage of hold right here. Just when the stocks move, they move 40%. So being down 5%, the stock has been up 5% yesterday, down 5% today. So that's how we do it. It gets updated. I change it to red. Givo at 33 was looking great yesterday, traded up at 38, and now it's at 33. So just so you see the difference, 38 is up 8.57. So we were up 8.57. It was up trading there yesterday. In the after hours, people were buying it. Here's Givo, traded up 35 today. High this morning, 38. Radio Shack, high this morning, 55. Sold into that. Half of that position's been sold. You guys, we have that stock. So here's the swing. We got some Viggle, got some LRAD. LRAD doesn't trade a lot of volume. It's a small little Mojo stock. We have Neuro, which we're even on. PGH, new pick. Which was up this morning, looks good. Ameren is no problem. And here's the pick on Radio Shack right here. Sold that one. That was a new buy yesterday at 55. So this original position of Radio Shack is up 4.17. Yesterday's position is up 37%. We added on the news release yesterday at the end of the day. This date was January 12th. These are the closed positions. We've already closed Viggle at 360 and at 345 and at 350. Expecting to close it there again. So Radio Shack's going in right now. Position half closed. And I'll update this today. So let's get off of this and get back to the day trading. And that's pretty much our great day today. So we did super well. Gale looks to be strong, but really who cares because the day's over. All right, so from the, what do we do today? 7 trades. It's what, 9, 10 a.m. From the 7 trades we've done in JDST Arena. That's pretty much it. And NLST and PHMD. In respect to hitting your daily goal for the day, have you hit your goal? Not yet hit your goal? Have you doubled your goal? 3 times, lost, paper traded and made money, or paper traded and lost? The people that lost money today are brand new to the room if they did that. The people that haven't hit their goal have not established the correct goals for the day. It's a plain fact, and I'll show you how to do that and correct that for yourself. So, what you business people make today? We are not traders in the room. If you come to the room every day and you say, look, I'm a great trader, I'm going to make a lot of money, you're going to lose. If you come to the room and say, I'm a good businessman, yo, it's a businessman, you will win. Bottom line. Because it takes greed out of the equation. Yes, we sold JDST at $7.90 and it's $8.50. That's 60 cents. We did not pay for any of that. That's not ours because we already hit our goal, so it doesn't matter. Okay? There are day trading rooms that say, hey, if a guy claims to trade at 95%, run for the hills. If a guy averages down and tells you to buy more when it goes down, run for the hills. Well, I'm glad that you like to give opinions about people's strategies, but whatever works for you, make it work, and that's it. Everybody has a different strategy. It may not work for some people. All the traders that are in the room are pro traders. I've been through Mojo University. Most of the other people quit and leave because they lose money and they just don't follow the system. Look at all these pros. Okay? The people that didn't hit the goals are down here. And the paper traders, it's a whole row of people. Okay, the Trader Wireless, he's the guy that didn't hit his goal. Trader Wireless, just like I mentioned, I'm not throwing you under the bus. How long you been here, buddy? Second day? JDST's 870, so it's his second day. Watch me help him. What's your goal, partner? What's your daily goal? You should make 5% to 10% on for the day on an account under 25K. What's your goal? $100. So you should have at least a $2,000 account with $12,000 in buying power. Do you have that? So how can you not make $100? That doesn't make sense. Send me your trade log. I'll help you. You're doing something wrong. Who made money today? Who made money? Go, AJ, go. 1100, buddy. Nice. Who else made money today? Go, Colin, go. 2000. Go, you guys, go. Ooh, no way. Oh, it's not doing nothing, dude. Come on, tell me when it gets to 70. Look at Arena. Back at 6, guys. Pop-ching. Ch-ch-ch-ch-ching. Dude, look at PHMD, 250. Look at JDST, 860. Whoo, what a great day in the Mojo room again. So there are rooms out there. It goes, yo, look, I gave you PHMD at $1.95 with a 15-cent stop, and it never hit that. Look how great I did for you at 254. Unrealistic. Don't tell me you're still in it and you didn't sell. Okay? Same thing. Net list. Look, I gave it to you at 160. It went to 190 with 15-cent stop, and you're still in it. You mean it went to 190. You forego all your profit, 10,000 shares, 3 grand, 2,500. Now it's all the way back down to where you own it because you never gave a sell signal. That's no way to run a day. If a guy's doing that in a day trading room, then you know, run for the hills. Don't run. Do whatever you want. If you're there with them, wonderful. You should be trading with others. JDST, 760, 770 with a 20-cent stop. Stock never went near that. And what, are you still in it at 860? I don't think so. Good job on the Radio Shack today. Great job. And that's pretty much it. Things are holding up. HTCH was a nice swing pick yesterday. We got that one in the swing right from here all the way up to there. Let's see what else my peeps are doing. Nice job, Al. 5 hunch. Good job, Pez. Like usual, $8.95 an hour. Trader Rambo made $1,000 an hour. Trader Terry, $662. Trader Friere is new to the room. Nice. Trader F. What's up, dude? You doing good? Trader F, doing good. Nice, Mike G. 616. Good job, buddy. Nice job. Trader Rose, so did I, dude. You sold at Premarket 3, so did I, man. When I was buying JDST at 752. Premarket, I was selling you guys at 377. Your internet's out, you're stuck in you guys? Nah, you ain't stuck, dude. You just gotta have patience. Dude, stuck is down $1. Okay? Stuck is down $1. That's stuck. Okay? Not 20 cents, 10 cents is not stuck. What's your cost on you guys, Mr. Kuto? Let me show you a great example. Okay? See, this guy's not in Mojo University, so let me help him. Watch. Trader Kudo. Missed it all. Internet out. Negative, negative, negative. His cost is 362. The stock is 356. So his definition of stuck is 6 cents. Okay, it's 356. By the time I'm done explaining what the scenario is, you'll be even. Here's the deal. Okay? You guys' range is 4 to 350. Okay? That's all it's been. It's $3 to $4 is the range. It's never even been down there. But there's your range. That's your dollar bracket. What could possibly happen in there? $1 up, 3 or 4. It's going to hit the top of that box at 4. The low of that box at $3. Okay? That's the stock. It's a $3 to $4. I'm thinking it's $3.50 to $4. I'll buy at $3.50. I'll sell at $4 until they break one side of that box. Now, you got Irrelevant. Let's say you're a fund manager and you just bought 1 million shares at 362. Okay? And the stock's 356. Your target's 4. Here, watch. Your target's 380. Watch. You have 100 shares at 362. Dude, the stock's 357. Do you really care? Are you stuck? Do you really think you're stuck? 100 shares, 362. It's 352. Answer that. You got 100 shares. Are you stuck? Perfect. So, whether you had 1 million shares or you have 100 shares, trade price, not P&L, and you'll be a winner. It's just business 101, man. Got it? So for now on, say to yourself, what would I do if I had 100 shares? That's your answer. If you're panicky on 100 shares, you're done. Sell it, move on. That's it. Very easy, very simple. Take your emotion out of the game. Okay? I had pocket jacks. Okay? You had ace king. I bet. You called. Flop came 2, 5, 8. Okay? I lay out 3 times the bet, and you go, I'm stuck. This is not the truth. You're already in there. Go in one more time because you have a great hand. You just pulled the king. You're now a winner. Now you check. I bet again 5 times the pot. You smooth call and or raise. I call and you win. Thank you. Because you traded it as the trade and not, oh, the flop came and I just lost and I'm stuck. It's not the case. You have ace king and you're going and it comes 2, 5, 7 and then a 9 and then a queen. Yeah, you lost after all those, but not after the first flip of it. That's why some people win and some people lose. Come on down, UVXY. I want you bad. Want to buy you bad. And that's it, guys. I want EXXI to pop here for us. It's been to 280. It's floating. We got PGH, Penn Growth Energy. Oil cranks. The stock is flying to $3. Dude, PHMD went to 270. Sick. PHMD, 270. JDST, high. 870. Dang. There's some good picks today. You guys were saying this morning, oh, be careful, don't trade that JDST. I said, no way, man. I'm looking at my notes. I got this thing. Those are 2 high flyings. So who else made money today? Anybody else before we turn it off? Here's what we do now. So I go like this. Businesses. There's 20 trading days a month. Okay. 20 days a month to trade. Nice job, DMX. Nice job, Taylor. 460 and a 319. There's 20 days per month. 18 out of the 20 we're usually done by 11 o'clock. Today we're done at 10. We hit our goals, therefore trading for the day is over. The room's going to stay open, but no more trades will be called out and the room will close at 4. Mojo conducts day trading as a business, and Mojo does not trade to have fun. Mojo waits for the trades to present themselves. When you push trading, you get burned more than you win. Mojo likes high probability aggressive scores. Scoring a few times a day is enough for your business to grow by leaps and bounds, yada, yada. We are the best. Okay? Here's the deal. My 2 rules. Here's my rules. Okay? My number 1 rule. And I have a deal with every pro trader. What's the number 1 rule, pros, that we follow? Everyone tells you they got a million rules, this and that, this, follow this, stop that. What is our number 1 rule? Number 1 rule. Is to stop trading for the day once your goals are hit. No trading after the room closes. Okay? If you don't believe in that goal, here's what I want you to do. I want you to test this. Watch. Okay, right now you're up 500 for the day. Your goal is met. Here's what I want you to do. I'm going to close the room down just like I did, and then I want you to continue to trade. Go to another room, trade on your own, continue to trade, and do that 10 times. I want you to see that 8 to 9 times out of that 10, you either lose the whole 500 or go negative 500. Okay? And you'll see 90% of the time, you will. So that deal has been made with every pro trader, and they will not continue to trade once we are done for the day. The other rule number 2, come find out. Take Mojo University. That's rule 2. Great job today, everybody. Nicely done. Check out that ask on 275 on PHMD and the short squeeze they're doing on this stock. Pretty incredible. Pretty incredible. No, I'm sure, do you think Nugget came under 18 pretty good when I called that? Nugget drop to test under 18. Quadruple bottom right here. Look, Nugget. Watch. Where is it? Right here. 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18. Bam! That's our JDST at the open. It's a Cupid reversed. There goes Arena, guys. 605 short squeeze happening. It's going to test the top of that 628, trade 40 million today. I ain't hanging around for it, though. So we're done. Great job. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Peace.